As you see guys, that Bitcoin weekly candle here, it finished, it gave us here a pin bar again in a very strong level. Yes, it's an inverted hammer here. It gave us like that guys. The one here in the weekly in a very stronger zone as you see it here. The one here, we need to be careful guys. Either we're going to break it from here and we're going to see the Bitcoin give us a new all-time high, because now also we are in the all-time high zone. Or from here we're going to dump guys. So we need to be careful about the next move. That weekly candle here is going to tell you the next move guys. Remember that weekly candle we're going to close here is going to tell you exactly where is Bitcoin headed. We are going to try to predict it using technical analysis, but that weekly candle, that means next week, is going to tell us where we are going. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, please, if you haven't smashed that like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me what you're thinking. Did the Bitcoin going to break that 110k and to go more higher, or from here at the top and we're going to dump? I want to hear that from you guys, because retail traders, the option of them, it make a lot of difference. That way I'm asking you. So go now and write it down in a comment. You've done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Guys, us we get it even in the weekend. People, they been with me in all time. They remember me in the weekend. I don't day trade, I don't swing trade, but swing trading is different. Let me show you the earnings of today. Here it is guys. We enter a long in the XRP. We enter a long in Bitcoin, and we enter a short in the Ethereum guys. As you see it, those ones three, all of them, they are swing trade guys. Let me show you the earnings of them. You came here that the earnings of other members, that 41% in Bitcoin. Bitcoin give us more than that. That's my earnings guys. XRP 28%, Bitcoin 52%, the Ethereum 111% guys. I'm going to show you more than that. As you see it guys, XRP 44%, Bitcoin 60%, that the Ethereum make a small correction 98%. Other members, let me show you here. As you see it, XRP long 220%, Bitcoin 132%. Yes, him using high leverage, but it's okay, him making profit guys. That the latest update guys, 51% in the XRP, 73% in the long Bitcoin, and 73% in the short Bitcoin. The one he uses low leverage guys, but if he increase leverage, it's going to be closer to 60%. Here guys, here. So if you want to benefit from those type of signals, and you want to make money with professional people like that, and you want even you to learn how to trade guys, because us we don't just give you signals, us we teach you how to trade. That's the difference between us and other people. Now we started a new thing. We teach you how to manage your trades, how to turn a losing trade to a winning trade. So if you want to join us, by the way guys, you see those numbers here, $25 for VIP cryptocurrency and $30 for elite members. That one is got just a certain number guys, and me I tell it to you till the end of June, and you will not find it here. Those ones, they are going to increase guys. The people they join us by those prices, they are going to get it forever. And the people they miss that opportunity here and that discount here, those prices guys is going to be boosted more than that. So if you want to join us and you are interested, the link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join that one or that one, finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me either here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin here is it an all-time high here. We just been discussing today, we're hitting those stop losses. We used to be at 107k like that today. We still have some stop losses at 109k. We're going to hit them that week, guys. Now there is one of two, guys. As me I told you, if a weekly candle close above here, maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping, or it might do it like 2021, give us here a trap like that, indicating it's going to pump, then after that it dump. Even that one is possible. So how else we're going to catch it at this time, guys? When we are in the all-time high, don't buy, my friend. Remember that. Don't buy Bitcoin now. I say that a lot, guys. Please listen very carefully. Don't buy Bitcoin now. Don't buy Bitcoin now. Remember that. We say it thousands of times. If you buy it from now, you're going to stay stuck till 2028, guys. It's up to you what we got here today. Same thing, guys. We still have the same thing. Nothing changed. We got here now. Either is going to be like that, a big double top here, and we're going to see the Bitcoin from here dumping. That's possible, guys. Second thing, we got here a cup and handle here in the weekly, and if we break in the neckline here, we're going to go more higher, as we told you in yesterday, 127k like that. Should you buy Bitcoin? No, my friend, there is no buying now. We got a lot of things here, guys. Let me show it to you. We got that one here, that up channel like that. As we showed it to you before, we told you, look at it, it's very stronger up trend. Look how many times it's being touched here in the weekly, guys, as we're talking. Now, that uptrend, if it's getting broke here, we're going to see a dumping, guys. That's possible. Second scenario, let me show you my chart. You remember what else we told you here, guys? That one here, what else we said about it? We said in September is going to be the top of that market, guys. Exactly 8th of September 2025. What it's left for it, guys? Also, we are in June. It doesn't left a lot of days, guys, to September. That way, me I told you yesterday, only 20%. Maybe the market is going to go more higher, so you need to be careful, guys. The targets, they stay in the same, guys. We still have here that 134k. We got here that 175k, and we got above here 275k. So those was the targets, guys, for that weekly here. Let's hope we're going to hit at least that 134k before the dump happening. Even that one, it's possible, guys, because the halving is going to come, and also we're going to catch all those things. We're being saying all those things here. We got something else here in the weekly, guys. Let me show it to you. You remember it or no? What me I told you about that one? I told you we got here a divergence, guys. That's the divergence trend line here. You see it? We haven't touched the top of it. Yes, here in the chart, and not here, down here. So maybe they are going to go more higher to that 127 or 134k. And after that, we're going to dump that possible, guys. But guys, we are very close to touch that divergence downtrend here. We need to see how is the market going to react to that divergence downtrend here. If it's going to dump or is going to break it. So we need to wait to see what's going to happen here. Because if you're looking with me here, also we staying here in an uptrend, guys. We just fall down, we touching that wall, we touch it here. The only thing, look with me here what I'm going to show you. Look here, you see the momentum when we touch it the first time. Look at the momentum now here. And now the momentum is getting smaller, guys. What that telling you? The first time when we buy from here, it used to be huge volume. Second time when we buy from here, not a lot of people they buying. And now when we fall down to here, not a lot of people, guys. So you need to be careful of those things what I'm telling you. I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week, guys. So let's go in there. Coming news for all the week, guys. We don't got something very special here. As you see that the news we got today, all the week. We got in Monday the inflation data of the Eurozone. In Tuesday we got interest rate of the Aussie. In Wednesday we got CPI data or inflation data of UK, crude oil inventory. Thursday what we got, initial jobless claim, SP Global Manufacturing PMI and SP Global Service PMI. exiting home sales, the GDP of Germany and new home sales. So we don't got something very important going to affect the cryptocurrency. Over here is our friend, the table of odds. Also, we're looking at it every day, guys, here. Based on the table of odds, what it's telling us, guys, because also we came to it every time. US indices, all of them, they started the week green. That's very good news here. But also that's not the main goal why we came here and why we show it to you every day here in that channel. So we show it to you because of that one, guys, of the VIX. The VIX, it break below 20, guys, and it's going down to 12. When we touching 12, guys, that's the top. At this time, that meant more going up, guys. More going up for Bitcoin, more going up for stock. Everything still looking good and we still going in an uptrend. When that one here, that VIX, it reached to 12, guys, that time you need to be careful. At least reach to 14. You need to start taking off some of the profit, guys. So I think I explained everything to you here. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here Bitcoin today give us here like a fake out here. It breaking for us that inside bar here. And that candle which is going now, it enter again. Let's see now. That's very important, guys. If that candle here gave you here like a pin bar indicating maybe the market is going to go more higher, or another story, that one is just a fake out and from here is going to fall down to break the lower of that inside bar and we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping. We show you all those things, how I draw that inside bar. Very simple, guys. Look with me here. You see the tail of that candle here and that one down here. You came and you draw in the top of it like that, like a line, and down here a line. Let's see if that candle which is going now going to fall down and to break lower here. That's going to tell us that the top, guys. Also, we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days because as me I show you before, what me I told you, look at it, guys. Also, we are stuck here in the last high here. Yes, we got here a big cup and handle like that, guys, as you see it here. If we're breaking above here, we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping very hard, guys. Maybe we're going to go to that 134k or 127k, but also we are ready for all the scenarios, guys. What the market going to do, we're going to catch it. So as we still waiting, we're going to see if the Bitcoin going to do the same thing like how it happened here, guys. Let me zoom it a little bit to explain to you what happened there. You see it, guys? Look here, look at that green candle here. Is it the same like that red candle here? Yes or no? That green candle, what happened to it, guys? Came breaking here. The top of that inside bar used to be there. Same thing happened here, guys. You see it? That the inside bar. What the market done? It fall down. It make it like a fake out, guys, to hit those stop losses. They are down. Then after that, it breaking above. So now what the view? Bitcoin going to do the same thing to fall down here. Then after that, to come back to break above here. Maybe we're going to go more higher. So also we are ready for all the scenarios, guys. And that way also we're telling you every time to join our VIP Discord. Now it's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So all is going there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. In yesterday's video, we told you here the 20 moving average, and look what happened here. That's why also we're catching that nice move here. We're going to show you in 4 hours. Now it's showing to us as if it's breaking here, that volume profile zone here. Let's see if it's going to go more higher or no. The 100 here is breaking above the 200 moving average, so that telling us also we staying here in an uptrend, guys. Nothing was changed. Market still going above, but you need to be careful about that uptrend here. That one here. You need to be careful about it, guys. If the Bitcoin going to break it, we're going to see a dump, guys. So you need to be careful about the coming hours, what the market going to do. If it's going to go more higher and to give us a new all-time high, or it's going to dump. That way, me I told you, don't buy from that zone. Levels, you need to look close at them today. Let me show it to you. Same levels, guys. We don't have nothing new. We still have here that 108, 570. We're going to touch it, guys. If we touch it, you can catch a shot from there. We told you that zone here, 102,603. We told you it's going to bounce from it. Exactly, it bounced from it, guys. Look where we are. Bitcoin is going to go back to 108k. Then from there, we're going to see if we are going to dump or no, guys. We got even that level down here, but that one is a little bit far away. So you focus about that two levels here, 108,570 and 102,603. So those ones the levels, guys. Now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. The Ethereum, me, I got a short from here. Exactly, guys. The market fell down till down here. I don't take any profit, me, because that short of me is it for long term. If is it down on the top, I'm going to catch it till down here, guys. That's my job. That's what me I do every time for long. Still have here the downtrend here until now. We haven't break it. If we break it, we're going to see the Ethereum pumping again. We got another thing here, which is that one here. That head and shoulder, guys. You see it here. That's a head and shoulder here. Very clear head and shoulder here. If it's breaking here, you're going to see the Ethereum dumping very hard, guys. Another thing you can make here, which is that one here, the triangle like that. You see it, guys, and the triangle like me how I showed you in yesterday video. I told you can make it like that, like a peanut here, like that, guys. So if the Ethereum breaking above more long, if it's breaking down here, you treat it like a normal triangle. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys. You see the 20 moving average here, it crossed below the 50. The Ethereum here, he couldn't break the 20 moving average above. So the next stop is it down here, 2248 or 2248, exactly at the 100 moving average, the simple one, in 4 hours. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. But the Ethereum first, you need to break that zone here, that one here where we are now, 2400, guys. It's need to be broke for us to see the Ethereum falling down to 2200. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. I think I explained everything to you, guys. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, same thing. We used to talk with you about that divergence here thousands of times here. We used to tell you all that. We told the same thing like that. Actually, it was a thumbnail of a video here. Now, what the view for us to catch that long, we need to wait in the Ethereum to come to break here. We're going to catch it, and that's why us every time we're telling you, if you don't want to day trade, you just want to swing trade, you can join our VIP Discord. We're giving their signals in the Ethereum for swing trading, guys, in the XRP for swing trading, in the Sol for swing trading, even in the Bitcoin for swing trading. Then we're giving day trading all in Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us, that of course. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. There we are, guys. Same thing. Even the Sol here, it's giving you here a head and shoulder, guys. You see it here. Very clear head and shoulder here. What that telling you, the Sol is going to dump. I tell it to you in yesterday's video. I told you those ones, they haven't sold or they haven't taken the profit. Exactly those ones they buying with me from $94 like that. You need to take at least 50% or to sell what it's equal your investment. Now you double your money. That's meant to take what you invested in the first and to leave some of the profit. You can take even extra profit because the Sol here, it's look like it's going to dump, guys. Look at it here. It gives us here a head and shoulder, plus we got a bearish divergence, all of those things. But also we're still waiting for the long, same thing we got here. Like the Ethereum, guys, you see it here, a very clear peanut here. Even that one, you need to be careful about it, guys. If the Sol going to come and to break above here, maybe it's going to go more higher. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours, either to pump or from here is going to dump. And I'll show you how to catch the dump, how to catch the pump. We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys. As you see, the Sol, what it's telling us, also we are going to fall down to 162 if we don't hold from there, 153. So the Sol is telling us we are dumping, guys. Also we tell you that we just showed it to you in 4 hours, so you need to be careful. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we still have here the divergence as we showed it to you before, being yelling here. Not going to the third week, guys. That week we started at the third week. Also, we yelling here, we told you the sol is going to dump. We told you the sol is going to dump. Look at it, guys. It's going to dump, guys. If you want to catch that dump, we told you what to do, but it's up to you. Some people defending 25 bucks is expensive, but soon we're going to increase that 25 bucks. Only those ones that are with us, they are going to benefiting from the 25 bucks. The new price is going to be at least more than the 25 bucks. So if you want to join us and you find 25 bucks expensive, the new price is going to choke you, my friend. So better for you to join before the 25 bucks discount finish it. But it's up to you. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin, guys. Here in Bitcoin, we show you here the one, we show it to you. It's getting broke here. Actually, also we enter from down here till above here. That's why we're making that much of money. Now what we got here? We need to take it off that line of me, that one here. And we came to the tail here and we do it like that, guys. We got here an uptrend. That uptrend, if it's getting broke here, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping, guys. At number one scenario, if we break in here, we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping, guys. We got something else here, which is that one here. Look at it, guys. We got here like a flag. You see that one here? That's a flag, guys. Or a distribution level. Name it whatever you want. Names doesn't matter, guys. We got a lot of liquidity here. We touch here at 107k today. A huge number of stops. But we still have some stops at 109k, guys. So what the view? Me personally thinking there is a correction, then we are going back to touch those ones that are at 109k, guys. Because for me, the Bitcoin here in 4 hours, it stay in an uptrend, guys. It might that uptrend to change, and when it change, also we're going to go short with it. That's what also we're doing, guys, because also we enter only with the main trend, guys. When we saw a correction, we found it an opportunity for us to buy in a discount. If you want to learn those things, we told you to join our VIP Discord. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys. Yesterday we being down here. Now what the view, me, I thinking Bitcoin is going to fall down to that 103k, 102k, and from there we're going to see if we are going to catch a long or long. Now the war is, guys, it's the Bitcoin to give us here that very famous wake of pattern here. If that one fall down and break in here and do like that, we're going to see the Bitcoin that 106k or 107k is the top, and we're going to dump. But here we're still in an uptrend, guys. As you see it, look at the 100 moving average, what it's telling us. Look at the 200 moving average, what it's telling also. Also here we are in a very clear uptrend. Yes, the 20 and the 50, those was they playing together because there is a lot of manipulation, guys. And that Bitcoin, every time he go, he found a huge number of stops. Look at it here, how many times he touched till we break it. And now we found other stops at 107k, and there is others at 19k. So it's going to be a dilemma, guys, for that Bitcoin to reach to that 134k. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, we show you here that big divergence. We told you guys we got here a big divergence. Actually, we got it in daily. Plus, we got even that one here. As you see it, guys, that one here. We try to break it, but there is no power to break it now. Let's see what's going to happen here, because at this time, guys, look at it. Look at that wall as we got here. We staying only in a zone where is the bulls they're controlling, guys. We haven't entered yet to bear market. Yes, we got that divergence. Let's see what's going to happen if we're going to enter to a bear market and that Bitcoin going to dump, guys. Because majority of retail traders those days, all of them, they are bearish. So you need to be careful even about those things, guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, in yesterday I show you that one here. Look at it, guys. It's break. Look, tell where it went now. Now it gave us here a big double top, guys. You see it, that big double top. If the Bitcoin fall down and break in here, you need to be careful, but it gave us one before here, and we don't see a huge dump. So everything is possible, guys. What's going to happen here? Me personally thinking we are just going to fall down to touch here that uptrend here, that one. Then from here we're going to see if we are going to pump again, because if you came with me and you do like that, we got a up channel, guys. You see that up channel here? You see it? Look at it, very clear up channel. So we are going to fall down again to touch that low here. And from here, we're going to go back above, like how us we're doing every time with that market, guys. But at this time, the bears, they still have power, guys. They need to slow, like how it happened here, like how it happened here. Then that is going to be the right time for you to enter along. At this time, no, my friend. Because now us in 4 hours, we're still in an uptrend, guys. So those smaller moves or those smaller corrections and smaller time frames is going to be an opportunity for you to buy, because those days the market is changed, guys, and it's going to be very difficult for you to try to catch those short. Those was like correction here, so you need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. Now let's see our indicator what it's telling us today. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it's telling us we got here a bearish divergence, very clear bearish divergence. Should we enter a short at this time, guys, as we stay in here, only in that wall here, and we haven't entered yet to a bear market. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.